Your phone bill just got more expensive. But why? It all started in Parliament when Congress MP Randeep Singh Surjewala raised a big question. Why did telecom companies hike tariffs on July 3, 2024, adding 34,824 crore rupees in extra costs for 119 crore users? That's an extra 292 rupees per user per year. But wasn't mobile data supposed to be getting cheaper? Union Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia defended the hike, pointing out that call and data costs have actually dropped significantly over the years.
2014 में 1 मिनट का कॉल मोबाइल पर 50 पैसे लगता था सर। आज 2024-25 में सर 10 साल बाद 1 मिनट का कॉल 3 पैसे लेता है सर, 3 पैसे। मतलब 94% गिरावट आई है कॉस्ट स्ट्रक्चर में।
But there's a flip side. Prices are creeping up again due to massive investments in 5G. Despite this, India now has 116 crore mobile subscribers and 97.44 crore internet users. Huge growth since 2014. So is affordable data a thing of the past? And will the government step in before prices climb even higher?